Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today's question is: you want to make a 0.5% agarose gel. How much agarose in grams do you need to make up a 50 milliliters gel solution? Let me explain how to solve this problem using ratios. So imagine that we have 1 gram of the agarose and 100 milliliters of the water. It is easy to understand that this is 1% solution. How to make, for example, this 0.5%? So we take 0.5 grams and 100 milliliters of water, and we are going to get 0.5%. But the question is, we need 50 milliliters. Okay, so we put 50 milliliters here. And what the number we should put here in order it to be 0.5%. And it is obvious that if this number in this ratio went down twice, then this number, in order to keep the same ratio, also have to be twice smaller than this number. And this is going to be 0.25 grams. Then again, the ratio is going to be the same. One more time. Let's solve this problem using ratios and proportions. So what is a ratio? Ratio just shows us how many one number contains another number. So let's take this ratio first. So 0.5 grams to 100 milliliters. And it should equal to another ratio where we know that we need 50 milliliters, but we don't know how many grams we need. So how to find this number here? We have ratio on the left, we have ratio on the right. Those one number is not known, but in order for these two ratios to be equal, we make this proportion. So proportion is when two ratios are equal. And for example, if in the right ratio this number is twice smaller than this number, we're comparing milliliters to milliliters, and if we know that this number is twice smaller, then this number in this ratio also have to be twice smaller than in this ratio in order for proportion to be equal. This number here have to be twice smaller than this number, and this is going to be 0.25. So now we have equal proportion. For example, if we divide 0.5 by 100, we are going to get the same number as if we divide 0.25 by 50. So this number also have to be twice smaller. But what if, for example, we would need 200 milliliters, and 200 milliliters is twice bigger than 100 milliliters? Then that means that this number also have to be twice bigger than this number for this proportion to be equal. So this is how easy to solve this type of problem using ratios and proportions. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.